Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that Notes sync is enabled. Go into Settings, tap your name, then Icloud, and confirm Notes is switched on. This ensures the server has your changes. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi and take a quick backup via iCloud or Finder so you can revert if needed. Now open the Notes app and prepare to fetch the cloud data. The next steps will retrieve deleted or unsynced items. Next, check the recently deleted folder in Notes. Recover any items by tapping Move or Recover because deleted notes are retained for about 30 days. If nothing shows, sign into iCloud. From a browser, open Notes there to compare what the cloud holds versus your device. Make sure the Notes account view includes iCloud and any other email accounts that store notes. If you find the note on the web, move it back into an active folder. To finish, force a sync by toggling Notes off and on in iCloud settings, then give the device a minute to re-download content. Make sure iCloud storage has room because lack of space blocks sync. Restart your device to clear any temporary issues and reopen Notes to confirm restoration. If notes are still missing, use an iCloud backup restore or explore the iCloud archive. And if problems persist, contact Apple support for account-level assistance. They can often recover items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.